Let's make a mug cake. First, you're going to start with equal parts of self-rising flour and sugar and add in your Dutch processed cocoa if you have it. You can use regular cocoa if you don't. And then you're going to add in your oil, either vegetable or olive oil. And then add in some of your milk and vanilla and salt. And then you'll give all of that a good stir. And if it gets too thick to stir, you're going to add in some more of your milk. And then give that a stir, and once it gets to a creamy batter consistency, that's when you can stop adding the milk and then just pop it in the microwave. And you'll put it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. And then you'll have nice, warm, delicious mug cake. So good. Give it a try, see how you like it. And then you can always add in your favorite frosting on top too, if you'd like. Thanks for watching. Bye. And if you like this video, check out some others here.